Welcome to our channel. If you've decided to permanently delete your CVS Extra Care account and remove your personal information, follow these simple steps to complete the account deletion process. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit cvs.com. Sign in to your CVS account using your registered email address and password to access your account settings. Step 2. Click on your account name in the top right corner of the page. Select Account Settings or My Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll through your account settings to look for privacy settings, account management, or data privacy options related to account deletion. Step 4. Since CVS doesn't offer a direct delete account button on their website, you'll need to contact customer service. Scroll to the bottom and click Contact Us or Help Center. Step 5. Choose your preferred contact method such as phone, email, or live chat. When you connect with a CVS representative, clearly explain that you want to permanently delete your account. Step 6. Provide verification information as requested, including your name, email, extra care card number, and phone number to confirm your identity. Step 7. Submit your account deletion request and ask for confirmation. CVS should process your request within several business days and send you a confirmation email. Be aware that deleting your account will also remove your Extrabucks rewards, prescription history, and any saved information, so make sure to use any rewards before requesting deletion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.